Good afternoon. It is January the 3rd, 2016. Time to wrap up the first trading day of the new year. We always start off with our commentary disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations, and you better believe that. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades may have not been executed, the results may under or overcompensated for the impact of any of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profit losses similar to those shown. Okay, looking at the F4 screen on the E-mini today, we came in, we wanted to sell failure to take out and hold 58 to 60. We had our first buy at 50 to 52. Produced good results. Our second buy at 45 to 47 was a loser based on our setup right here, and it was a setup a wrinkle chart. It did not come from the 3-minute chart, which is what the results are. So this is a trade, this is a trade, this was off the Renko charts. We took the trade, it was a loser. The methodology is based on the time charts, not that. So I paid a price for that. I had a loser. The market has died. We've talked about since before lunch resistance being at 45 plus or minus, and that looks to still be the case. So pretty good day. The initial assessment of the market worked out very, very well. And the strongest work we do is based on early in the session, executing early, going with the professional trader. And again, that proved to be true again today. So what will tomorrow bring in the E-mini? We have ourselves a higher low and a higher high. So the F1 screen says we can buy it. The F2 screen will give us a different picture. The F2 screen is definitely a B. So I think again the battle is going to be fought here at 45 to 47. So if the market were to close right here, we're selling 45s, 47s, sell 1. And 49 to 51, sell 2. On the buy side, we got volume down here at 36, so 35, 37, buy 1. 30 to 32, buy 2. We have news tomorrow. Motor vehicle sales 17.7. That's a very, very healthy money number. ADP employment 172K. Friday's non-farm payroll looking for 175. That shows the jobs, if true, that would show the jobs are being added. FOMC minutes. So news focus, ADP number, followed by motor vehicle sales, and then the FOMC minutes. Switching between computers to give me a little kit to move from one computer to the next. Like I said, it'll take a while to shake it down. Okay, looking at the 10-year, the note. And they say, well, we don't talk about the 10-year much during the day. It is where the volume is done now. And this is where you have to pay attention. Outside day implies trading range. We'll go for that. That makes sense. Double distribution right here. We got a P, so if the market were to close right here, right now at this level, selling 7s to 11s, 15 to 19, sell 2. We're right back up to that 12 to 16 area that has been resistance for a very, very long time. On the buy side, 29 to 01 by 1, 21.25 by 2. Looking at the 30-year, something may be going on here. A lot of it's just the fact that the market is really, really oversold. So number 1 is going to be 28 to the buck. 3 to 7, sell 1. 15 to 19, sell 2. We took out 24 right here. On the buy side, 16 to 20, number 1. 9 to 13, buy 1. 29 to 01, buy 2. Looking at the euro, looking at gold. Higher low, higher high. Actually, it's an outside day. That means trading range. And we've got this saddle formation. Those tend to fill in. So sell 1 will be 60. 62, 64, 66 for sell 2. On the buy side, 50, 52, and 45, 47 for buy 2. Crude oil. Don't be surprised if we don't see we see a couple of news articles overnight talking about how a particular country is cutting their production to meet the agreement. But got ourselves an outside day. Can mean trading range. Right now, pretty strong B. So we'll need some help from the news to break this pattern. Really, really heavy-duty selling, and we were fortunate. Just the dynamics of closing this afternoon, we made a dime into the close, and 37, we exited at 36. 37 has been the high so far, so definitely this screen tells you to look for a place to sell it. 50 to 75, sell 1. 53 even, 53 and a quarter, sell 2. On the buy side, let's make it 51, 75, 52, buy 1. And then 51 and a quarter, 51.50, buy 2. The EIA inventory levels will be out on Thursday. Probably natural gas too. And the API is probably Wednesday evening. And looking at the euro, definitely got hammered today. F1 says find a place to sell it. Nice recovery into the close though. So right here, resistance is at 63. We're currently at 50, so say 50 to 60. That's pretty aggressive. Sell 1. Then 85 to 95. Sell 2. On the buy side, 104 1/4. Buy 1. And 104 even. Buy 2. We had a 103.75 buy today. Our number 2 buy level worked out pretty nicely. Produced a pretty big trade to the upside. Okay, I'm going to get with Chris and work on a couple of little glitch items so I can be more able to serve your needs tomorrow. You all have a great evening. With that said, I'm out of here.